I've identified this man here to be the son of a brave soldier who's currently fighting at the border area. So we thank your father and thank our armed forces. What would you like to say? I'll start with you first.
So, good afternoon. As I belong to a defense family, this operation is very special to me. From childhood, I have been in an atmosphere. I have lived in the army campus, and I have seen what nationalism mean to a soldier and their family.
Yeah.
I have seen people martyred, and I have seen their families. So nationalism is in everybody's blood, in not even in civilians, but also in army people's families.
Yeah.
So
More in army
yeah,
people's family.
more in army people's family. Yeah,
Yeah.
even
Are you worried for your father and his well-being?
No, I'm not worried. I spoke to him. Everything is fine. उनके जहाँ पे वो थे वहाँ पे एक गिरा था मिसाइल, but it's fine. No, इतना casualties नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे जम्मू सेक्टर में. But yeah, I believe जो उनका teachings है and जो उनका training है mainly as many civilians don't know, like they have a concern like our army will be able to protect us or not. But let me tell you, we have most indigenous weapons with us. Even the China is shocked, like how our drone went and destroyed their air defense system.
बिल्कुल.
And मैं अगर आपको गिनाऊं, so from 1947 we had fought around 4 wars with Pakistan. So that includes 1947 to 1949 war, then 1965 Indo-Pakistan war, then 1971 where we helped Bangladesh to become a separate nation,
Yeah.
and then 1999 Kargil war, which is a very famous war. I guess mostly, we all know.
And in all these years, what has Pakistan done to us?
Yeah, like they have tried to attack, like they have tried to push on us, but our defense system, our armed forces, including Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force, they have proved their.
Merit, yeah.
Yeah, they have
They
proved
proved their
their, yeah.
merit.
उन्होंने अपना झंडा गाड़ा है हमेशा. सारी वॉर में हमारी जीत हुई है, और भले ही हमारी कैजुअलिटीज थी, but the way we were planned and the way we attacked them. So yeah, it is very hard.
We're so proud.
I'm so
You know,
proud.
and we are so
I
proud
can't-
of you.
yeah, I
आपका
can't
आपका
explain.
पिताजी का नाम क्या है?
Yeah, his name is Lahiji Abdul, and he is in CRPF. Abbreviation is Central Reserve Police Force.
That's great.
Yeah,
What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Naeem Lahiji, and I'm currently a 4th year BTech student.
Right.
I have a
We
SSB.
thank your father and we thank you for keeping our country safe, because people like him let go of their loved ones to be at the border areas, far away from them, and bear that pain of distance. They have chosen to be away from the family and fight for us. So big salute to him.
So I like to conclude it with सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजू है कातिल में है.